You know you need more clients to grow your business, but to attract clients, you need the credibility that comes from having a track record of happy customers. It's what we call the client credibility conundrum, and it's what keeps many coaches trapped in a vicious cycle of feast or famine, never able to break through to the next level. You pour your heart and soul into serving your current clients, but constantly stress about where the next ones will come from. It's exhausting and demoralizing. But what if there was a way to escape this vicious cycle? What if there was a proven method to build your authority and attract a steady stream of ideal prospects ready to work with you? The solution lies in running small group live events like workshops, masterclasses, or challenges, and delivering micro transformations for your potential clients. These low-risk, low-cost settings allow you to demonstrate your expertise, deliver tangible results, and build instant credibility with your target audience. Just imagine the satisfaction and pride you'll feel as you watch your live event come together, knowing that you have a clear plan and the tools to make it a success. Picture the excitement on your attendees' faces as they engage with your content, experience breakthroughs, and eagerly seek to work with you further. By investing in the AI Biz Accelerator Winning with Webinars workshop, you're not just gaining a proven system for creating live events, you're also taking a crucial step towards building a thriving coaching business and making a profound impact on the lives of your clients. I look forward to working with you.